Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset American Express account password, secure fix step. To reset your American Express account password, begin by navigating to the American Express website. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on sign in to access the login page. On the login page, locate the forgot password link. Click on forgot password to initiate the password recovery process. You will be prompted to enter your user ID or your registered email address. After entering your information, click on the Continue button. Check your email for a password reset link from American Express. If you don't see it in your inbox, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, click on the password reset link provided. Follow the instructions on the password reset page. Create a strong, new password that meets the specified criteria. After confirming your new password, submit the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the login page and enter your user ID and new password. Once logged in, ensure your account settings are updated for future security. It's important to log out after you finish your session, especially on shared devices. By following these steps, you can securely reset your American Express account password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.